Hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Jai and Jerry. Hello po, kamusta ang lahat? I hope everyone is doing fine and well today. Hello, I'm back. Hello po. So for this video, I would like to share with you how I fill out Form I-765 or the Employment Authorization Document or yung tinatawag nila na EAD. So I'm going to share with you, is it really necessary to apply for one? How long is the process? What are the requirements that I included on my application? And how much is the filing fee? So, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jade and I am from the Philippines but I live now in Pensacola, Florida. I got here through a K1 fiancé visa and right now I am green card holder. I did everything po DIY. Ako lang po, no lawyer, no agency. Ako lang nag-submit ng mga documents ko. Ako lang nag-gather ng mga documents ko. So, please subscribe, please like and share. Paki-click na rin po yung bell button para po ma-notify kayo on my next upload, especially if you're a K1 visa filer or adjusting your status dito po sa US. So I already have a video. Please visit my channel, Jai and Jerry. Nandyan po sa playlist, may makikita kayong playlist dito. Dyan po sa playlist, may album ako dyan na nakatitle K1 Visa and AOS Step-by-Step Guide. Nandyan po lahat ng mga videos ko about K1 Visa and adjusting my status or adjustment of status. Yung mga personal experiences ko po, sinishare ko, nandyan po sa mga video na yan. Baka po makatulong sa inyo. And again, paki-like and paki-share na lang din po ng ating video para naman po makatulong pa tayo sa iba or marami pa tayong matulungan. So yes, without further ado, charot. So yes, just a disclaimer po, I am not affiliated with any government agency nor working as an immigration attorney. I am not a professional or a legal expert. I'm only sharing based from my own personal experiences and my own research regarding po K1 visa and adjustment of status. So again, I am a DIY filer or do-it-yourself. Ako lang po lahat nag-gather ng documents, nag-submit, nag-fill out ng mga form. Lahat-lahat po kami lang ni husband. These right here are based from my own personal experiences and my research. So again, just to inform everybody, just because questions in these forms apply to me doesn't mean that it will apply as well to you. So I encourage everybody to do your own research as well. It's actually much better na research din po tayo on our own para po malaman po natin kung ano ba talaga yung mga processes kanyan. So mas maganda din po na may alam din tayo, mag-research din po tayo. So yes, how did I fill out I-765 or the Employment Authorization or the EAD? What are the requirements? Is it necessary to apply for one? And how much is the filing fee? So when I applied, just a quick story or just a quick recap. When I applied back in October of 2023, back then po, the fee for adjustment of status is only $1,225. And when you apply for adjustment of status, libre na po siya. Naging libre na. It's free to apply for 765 and 131. So I went ahead and applied for those documents as well. Yes, but right now with the update, since April 1 of 2024, nag-increase na po siya. The adjustment of status is now at $1,440 and you cannot file 765 and 131 free with it. They have their own payment na po. You need to pay them separately. You can still apply concurrently with I-765 and 131 with your I-485 or the adjustment of status, but then they have their own fee na. The fee for employment authorization as of right now, today, September 14, 2024, nasa $260 po ang bayad niya. And it's separate. If you're going to apply 765 with I-485, it should be separate payment. Hindi nyo siya pwedeng isahin. You cannot pay the fee pay for both documents together, like one 440 and then the 260. So it should be separate if you're going to pay it with credit card or money order or your husband's personal check. It should be separate. So is it really necessary to apply for one? It's actually up to you. Ang AOS po kasi, the AOS, Adjustment of Status, depends on the state and depends on your case. In my case, it took 8 months for them to approve my green card. So in other states, in some states, it only took for them 2 months or 4 months for them to get their green card. In some cases, if you want to apply for a job, you cannot apply for a job with just using social security number. So I did a live on TikTok and somebody said, can I apply for work now because I have my social security number? No po. So you cannot apply with just your social security number. If you want to apply here, if you are a K1 visa filer and now in the US, you need to have a green card or at least the work permit to work legally here in the US. So you can apply 765, your I-485 or the adjustment of status since medyo matagal yung approval ng green card. In my case, when I applied for adjustment of status back in October 2023, they gave me my biometric schedule on November 16 and 1 month later na-approve po ang aking employment authorization together with my travel permit. So I already have 1 month after my biometrics, I already have my work permit or my work ID. So you can then legally work anywhere you want in the US. So yun po. And today, once again, yung bayad po, yung fee ng pag-apply ng 765 is $260. Now, for example, you already paid, ang in-applyan nyo lang po as of the moment is the I-485. But then you got bored, nasubmit nyo na, it's already pending. The case is pending at the USCIS. And you got bored and then you want to apply for work now, or there is like a work available near you and you want to do it, you want to work, you can apply 765. Just find your lockbox office, submit I-765 and pay for the $260 and wait for it to get approved, or wait for them to ask for your biometric schedule or give you a biometrics schedule. So ayun po, it's not really necessary, it depends on you, it's all up to you. Reminder, just a quick tips and reminder po, hindi po lahat ng form, okay, not all forms are like valid, kumbaga acceptable kay USCIS. You need to check the edition date of the form that you are going to file, whether it's 765, 131, 485, or whatever form it is. Because if it's not the edition date or the acceptable edition date ni USCIS, they will reject your form. So you need to check the edition date. Now, where are you going to check your edition date? Let's start. How did I fill out I-765 or the employment authorization, where to find the edition date, and how to pay the samples. So ito po. So on your search bar po or the Google search bar, you can just type USCIS and then ito na po yung lalabas. This is the official website of the USCIS. Just click this one, the home, and then here, dito po sa taas, click forms, para po makita kung anong forms ang inyong hinahanap or what to apply. So, nandito na po siya lahat. So, let's click I-765 or the application for employment authorization. Ito na po, ito po yung important details. Lahat-lahat na po ito. Please, I encourage you to read and understand this one kasi nandito po, dito niyo rin po malalaman kung ano ba yung mga updates, what are the latest updates about the forms and the applications. And so, meron silang mga update dito. So, you need to read everything here. Ayan. Alert, alert, Read everything and understand, please. Ito po, alert paroles of asylum, hindi yan sa atin. Here, basahin niyo po and scroll down. Dito po sa baba, makikita niyo po itong form details. Dito nyo po makukuha ang form I-765, this one right here. I need you to read the instructions for form I-765 first. Please download that one and read everything in there para po maintindihan ninyo. And then when you start filling out I-765, I need you to read the form as well before you start doing it para po alam ninyo kung ano yung isasagot ninyo, or pag may hindi kayo sure kung ano yung isasagot ninyo, you can go back to instructions for form 765. Nandoon po yung sagot. So, this is the edition date that I was talking about. Ayan, they have an update. It was updated on August 28, 2024. Starting October 28, 2024, we will accept only August 28, 2004 edition. Please beware of this one if you are about to file or going to file the adjustment of status, and if you want to file 765 together with your adjustment, please beware of this one, okay? And po, I will show you later where to find the edition date. So please read this one. Where to file, ayan po lahat, when to file, filing fee, and the checklist of requirements of for initial evidence. Ayan po, makikita nyo po, just click this one para po may idea kayo kung ano po yung mga dapat na i-include nyo. Filing tips, special instructions, basahin nyo po ito lahat. Now, ito po yung aking cover letter. This is the cover letter. By the way, just to inform you, if you're watching this through your phone, you can actually zoom in. Using your phone po, i-zoom in nyo lang yung video. Tapos, kasi di ba may iba na medyo malabo na yung mata. So, you can zoom in your phone, and some people watch this sa TV. Mas mabilis po or mas madali sa TV kasi ang malaki po talaga, nakikita nyo lahat. So, if you have a smart TV, you can watch this through your smart TV. But if wala naman po, you can zoom this in para makita nyo po. So, applicant name right here. Meron tayong applicant name, address, that's my name right there. Address ko, mobile number, email, and alien registration number. Do not forget your alien registration number. Date po kung kailan nyo isasubmit. And then, of course, ito po yung aking lockbox office kung saan ko po pinadala ang aking adjustment of status together with my application for employment authorization. This is my cover letter. So here, to whom it may concern, ito po yung nilagay ko. This is in order. Since gamit po namin ni husband is the personal check, ito po ang nilagay ko. Nilagyan ko po ng form G1145 or the electronic notification, para po ma-notify kayo agad pag natanggap na nila. And then, of course, the 765 application for employment authorization. Do not forget to sign the form, please. And then, 2 passport size photos with name and alien number at the back. And then, copies lang po. Scanned copies or photocopy ng aking passport bio page, K1 visa page, and the K1 visa entry stamp, my I-94 arrival and departure record. Expire na po ang aking I-94, okay? So, okay lang po na mag-apply kayo ng AOS, adjustment of status, or the employment authorization na expire na po yung I-94 ninyo. Kasi ma-expire po talaga yung I-94 since we are a K1 fiancé visa. We only have 90 days to get married in the US. Pag hindi po kayo nagpakasal, the date that you have or the date stamped on your passport is the date of your 90 days expiration. Pag hindi pa po kayo nagpakasal, you have to leave the country. So, yun po. So, okay lang na mag-apply ng AOS na expired na yung I-94. Kasi maraming nagtatanong sa akin yan, paano daw, nagmamadali silang mag-apply ng anong tawag nito? Nagmamadali silang mag-apply ng... So, yes, that's it. So, it's okay if you apply it with expired I-94. So, here, of course, and then sign that one. Do not forget to sign it. So, let's start. Nasaan na ba yun? Eto. Here, how did I fill out my I-765? So, the form itself has 7 pages po. 7 pages po siya. Ito, meron siya. So, where do I find the edition date? Dito po sa baba, this is page 1. Ayan po. Dito nyo po makikita yung edition date. So please ignore the edition date that I have there because I applied it last year pa 2023. But since again, please check the edition date kung ano po yung most updated. So dito nyo po makikita if you are using the correct edition date of the form. So let's fill out. How did I fill out I-765 or the employment authorization? So here, start here. Dito po, you may type or print in black ink. Pwede nyo pong isulat kamay, basta po malinis. It should be you should write it legibly using a black ink or you can type. So, reasons for applying, of course, initial permission to accept employment. Ayan po. And here, my full legal name ang nilagay ko na po is my married name. So, other names used, nilagay ko po ang aking single name. And then on page 2, mailing address. Please put your mailing address. And then if your mailing address is the same as your physical address, you can just type yes here and then skip that one. Other information, alien registration number. Please do not forget to put your alien registration number. Where do I find alien registration number? It's on the NOAA 2 po, or the approval notice of your petition. Nandun po siya. Gender, of course, everything in there. Lagay niyo po. Have you previously filed I-765? No, since I haven't yet. So, on this question, since wala pa po akong social security number when I applied for my adjustment of status, this question is meron din po sa I-485. Has the Social Security Administration or the SSA ever officially issued a social security card to you? Sabi ko po, no. So, please, moving on. And then, dito po, since I don't have it, and then nilagay ko din dito, ayan. It's the same question sa I-485. So, I authorized disclosure of the authorized disclosure of the SSA, ganyan. And then, moving on, father's birth name. And kung ano po ang birth name ng father ninyo. Mother's name, please provide your mother's birth name. Kung ano po yung pangalan ng mother ninyo when she was born, use that one. And then country, and of course, your address, place of birth, and information about your last arrival in the US. So, Form I-94 arrival and departure record. Number, it's asking about your number. Okay? And, doon nyo po, sa I-94 po ninyo, makikita nyo po doon, may nakalagay, admission record. That is your departure record number or arrival and departure record. Please put it right here. And then, kung saan naka-register you or issued your passport, all of that information, when is it gonna expire, saan nyo po nakuha yan, and of course, your arrival, place of your last arrival in the US, kahit asan po yung port of entry ninyo. And then on this question, please beware. So I need you to read instruction first before you answer this one. Information about your eligibility category. So refer to who may file Form 765 section of the I-765 instructions to determine po kung ano yung eligibility category ninyo. So dito po, ang nilagay ko is C9. Other people put C09, but I just put C9 since yun lang yung nakalagay sa instruction. So please read instructions first, understand these questions, and then ilagay niyo po whichever applies to you. And then here, and then almost done. It's very quick and easy. Applicant statement. Of course, I can read and understand English. And then I signed here my phone number, my email address, and then applicant's declaration of certification. And then please, a lot of people miss this. Do not forget to sign or put your signature or applicant signature po dito, and then the date of your signature. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan yan, or else it will be rejected. It will return to you. You'll have a delay. Tataas pa yung process ninyo. Preparer's mailing address, preparer's information. Since I don't have this, I did it DIY, so I don't need that. Ayan po. And then the last page is the additional information kung saan po, if there are questions in there that needs more, kailangan nyo pong i-detail, ilagay nyo po dito. Here, page number, just find the page number, part number, and item number, and then ilagay nyo po. Since wala naman po akong extra answers, NA lang po yung nilagay ko. So please, again, check the edition date. You need to read what is the edition date that you need to use kasi po mare-reject ang form ninyo, madidelay ang inyong process. So that's it. That's how I fill out form I-765 or the employment authorization. So that's it po. That's how I fill out I-765. Those are the requirements. Paano po malaman yung edition date? Make sure that you have the right acceptable edition date of the form para hindi po ma-reject, mabalik sa inyo yung documents ninyo and magka-delay po kayo. So, good luck everybody, and once again, just a disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any government agency nor working as an immigration attorney. I am not a professional or a legal expert. I'm only sharing based from my own personal experience and my own research po regarding I-765 and as a K-1 visa filer and now adjustment of status, and I am a green card holder under 2 years conditional. So good luck po everybody. It's much better to do your own research as well. This will at least give you a heads up and a guide. So yes, again, for the forms and other information about adjustment of status, employment authorization documents, please visit uscis.gov, the official website of the Immigration Office. Visit my channel, Jai and Jerry. Go to playlist and click K1 Visa and AOS step-by-step guide for other videos about adjustment of status. So, yes, I hope I covered everything. May nakalimutan pa ba ako? So yes, if you have any questions, pag may mga hindi kayo naintindihan on this video, please you can comment down below and then I will just answer your questions maybe through video. So maraming salamat po ulit sa inyong suporta. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like this video, to share this video as well for those you know that are adjusting their status, and especially if they are on a DIY process or do it yourself. Good luck po sa lahat, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!